Hey, Miss Brown. Hi, guys. Let's take a little ride with me. I'm not going far, but I need your company. Hey, SNG, Flashy Vlog. Hey, guys. Let's come chill with me on a little journey. Not far, but hi, guys. Hi, everyone. I'm just taking a ride today. So come keep my company. I might be doing a live later on. Hey, Sean. Hey, husband. What's up? So, guys, chit chat with you one another and keep my company, okay? So, I'm driving. I might not be able to be reading that much, but you know, I always love you guys. And I'm just saying hi. I might be doing a live later on. London boy, big up yourself. Yeah, talk to each other, guys. Yes, sweetie, I have to stay safe because I want to meet you, London boy. So I have to keep myself together. Right. So what's going on, guys? So I'm just chilling today. Just chilling today. Have one and two errands to run, and I might be doing a live. I have to cook later because my wonderful friend asked me to cook, and I think I'm gonna do it live. So Cubston, welcome, welcome, welcome. You know I love you. Nice seeing you. I am just taking a little ride, so I'm taking you guys with me while you chit chat with each other. So, guys who don't have check out Cubs Den, beautiful people to hang around. You get to learn a lot, and they are very supportive. So if you don't have them, check them out. Come on, Sean. Sean, go check out Cubs Den, okay? Sean, Powell, I know you're a great supporter. Go give her the support. Yes, Cubden, I'm gonna be trying to drive careful, and I'm just driving a little journey up the street, so I'm just taking you guys. But I'm planning to do a live about 3:30, 4 o'clock, a cooking live. So, guys, hope to see you guys there. Just driving with this. Oh, how are you on the job? Oh, nice. Nice to see you as always, Sean. SNG, what's up? What's up? What's up? So if you ever hear about the I-95, I'm heading on the I-95. That's the first highway I drive on since when I came to America. I was so afraid to drive on it. But no, I love the 95. So I'm gonna head to the 95, not going too far. That 95 is where all the big trucks are. Hear all those loud sound. The big trucks are on the highway, man. The big trailers. Welcome, welcome, everyone. As I said, I'm just driving to a little short distance, so I need a company. You know what? Sometimes I like a little company and taking some rude girl driving. So, guys, I don't get to reading that much since I'm on this busy highway, but you know what to do. You know you need to love each other. If you don't have each other, go with them. Essentially, I don't remember ever seeing you at Cubs Den, but Cubs, I'm not even calling it yet, Cubs Den. Beautiful people to be around. So go check them out. Give them love. They are very supportive. I know Miss Brown have them. I think Miss Brown have them, but you learn a lot from them, and they are fun, and they are great people to hang around. Blue jeans and Cubs Den. So guys, look out for my notification this evening. I think I'm gonna be doing a live cooking for my friend who asked me to cook for her since Saturday, but was at work all 16 hours, so was unable to do so. She bring me the stuff today. She's the one who bring the stuff, so I'm gonna be making her food, and I think I'm gonna make it a live video, something simple, but I think I could make a live from it. So how is everybody doing on YouTube? You know, I know sometimes I'm not in, I'm out because I'm so busy at work. Sometimes I can't get around, but my spirit is always there. Bam bam, here is crowded here. Oh, this big truck on the road. But before I started to drive, because I learned to drive in Jamaica, but before I started to drive, I usually said, when I'm driving and if I see a big truck, I'm going to stop and let the truck pass. But I get over that a long time now. I was so afraid to drive on this 95 when I came to America, but now it's like my playground. I love the 95. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Welcome. Thanks for hanging out with me in this New York. It's not that cold today. If you notice, I'm wearing a light jacket. So I think we're moving towards spring, and I'm excited because spring is my time of the year. I love spring. I walk, I do everything in the spring. I could park my car and dance, but this winter I really don't like winter. And I don't like summer that much. It's too humid, it's too hot, makes me always tired. So I love spring. So I'm looking forward for spring. Feel really good now in New York today. So talking to you from Bronx, New York, heading to New Rochelle, New York, and then to White Plains, New York. So it's cool. It's cool. It's cool over here in New York. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to this live. I am just riding and I'm taking you with me. I'm just looking for your company. Bum, 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 bum. Going on in this tunnel. So the cop on the sidewalk. Cop lives on this highway. They're always hiding out on this highway. I'm not able to read the comments, guys, but because it's busy here on the highway, I don't want to take my eyes off the road that much. But I'm cool. I like to take long, easy, long rides. But this is not that long, but I'll make it. I'm gonna get off anytime soon off this highway. I have some time. My appointment is 2 o'clock and it's 1:16, so I have a little time to get there. Whoa, that big truck. All right, stay there. I'm gonna go over here. I'm getting off soon. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Greetings. By the way, happy National International Women's Day to all the women and now. Guys, just love up in yourself. Okay. All right. Ooh, so I'm off the highway and I'm going local right now. Sean, you down there giving jokes? I can't wait to come to Jamaica. Honestly to God, I miss coming home. I can't stand this COVID. It just get everybody. I don't know, man. I'm longing to go home and spend some good time. No laptop in no house, in no quarantine. Just going out there and have some fun. Go eat some nice jerk pork. Go eat some good fish coming from the sea, freshly caught, and some Jamaican, Ethiopia, or whatever the apple is, Ethiopia, whatever. I'm not too sure the name of the Jamaican apple, but that's the apple I love. I don't like the apples here, and that's the only fruit I like in Jamaica, the apple. That's the only fruit. I'm not too much for mangoes and all of that. No guinea, no nothing. I just love the apples and some roast corn, roast and the wood fire or on the coal pot with the prop the burn when you see it burn and has that pop. That I'm longing to eat that. Hey Rose, is that Rose and Anna? I think I passed her. Is that? That's like, that's it. I think that's the 400. I think I just missed my. I'm gonna have to come off and turn back. I think that's the address. Let's see what's the address here. 450. I mean, I passed it. I'm gonna go off here and come back. I think I just passed where I'm going. So let's turn back. Uh-huh. So Miss Brown, make sure you have some roast corn for me when we come in now. Okay, Drip Keen Gaming. Hi, how are you? Good to see you. I'm driving to my apartment and I'm taking you along with me. Thanks for showing up. Cooking this evening. I'm gonna be doing a live this evening. And so guys, as a matter of fact, I never ask for the thumbs up and for whatever, but make sure you give, I guess you guys know what to do. So it's not really a live as such anyway. It's just that I'm driving on this little journey and I just say, I could go with my people. So that's what I'm doing. But I think I'm gonna do a live I like about 3:30, 4 o'clock this evening. I'm gonna do a cooking live. I'm gonna cook for my friend. So she asked me to cook, so I might just do it live. So I'm gonna just use the opportunity and do it with you guys. So hope to see you guys later this evening. It's nothing too exciting. Okay, everything I do, I'm excited. Honestly to God. I like a little bit of excitement sometimes. I joke, I'm not excited. But no, I try, but not really. But we'll see. Nothing Jamaican anyway. Nothing too fancy. Yeah. Main entrance. Let me go. Let me go. I'm gonna chill with you for maybe what time it is? Half an hour. Because it's 1:22 and my appointment is 2 o'clock. So I have a little time. So I'm gonna be parking and sitting in the car. Let me find parking. I'm kind of lazy too, Don't want to go too far that I have to walk too far. I'm kind of lazy too. But anyway, this is where the parking is. So I'll just hang it out here. Oops, but that's it. I'm right there. So talk to me now, my people. Talk to me. Because I have time now. Hi, Nick, cooking with Nicole. Welcome, welcome. Because we've been seeing each other very often. Me, Miss Rose, and Miss Brown, we all hang out a lot. at all of those parties. Guys, so I'm here. I have like half an hour, so I'm hanging out in the car with you guys. Who is here? Hi, Craig, you're here. Craig, you dare not call me mad because I don't. I'm very good. I'm not even drive mad anyhow. I really take my time. I like a little fast driving once in a while. Only me driving myself. I don't want nobody drive me fast. So let's see who here. Let me see you. Thumbs me up if you're here. 'Cause I want to talk to you directly. I don't know who is here. I know I have 6 people here. Who are my 6 people? Who is Miss Daisy? Come on, Craig. I don't understand what you mean, Miss Daisy. So let me know what you mean when you say Daisy driving. Is that a compliment? I hope it is. This girl driving a long time, so I shouldn't look like Miss. I want to look like a rude girl when I'm driving. Honestly, I want to look like a rude girl when I'm driving. Have my dark glasses on and just being rude. The only reason why I didn't have my dark glasses on because I couldn't read the comment in the glasses. But I want that's the look I want. Have a rude girl look with my cap back way. You know, a little rudeness. Yeah. What you mean by a little rudeness? Little rudeness, right? But because I can't see with my glass, my dark glasses on, but that's the look I wanna have. That rude girl look. Life, hi. I'm not commenting, Miss Joel. Okay, hon, it's okay. Life with Cher, hi. ISNT, how are you? Welcome. Yeah, that rude girl look. You know what I'm talking about, Rose. Yeah, that's the rude girl look. As I said, I wanted my cap back ways, my dark glasses, but only because. Hey, Lacelle, I see ya. Welcome, Han. Welcome. The only reason why I couldn't have my glasses, dark glasses on, because I wanted to read your comment. But if I was by myself, it would be definitely my glasses, right? It would be definitely with my dark glasses. But wanted to read your comments. That's why. Sometimes I want to look a rude girl looking at. Yep. So guys, I'm planning to cook tonight. So what is this? So this is not it. Oh, so I'm planning to do a live this evening, like about 3:30. I'm gonna cook something. As I said, my okay, hon, we're gonna be talking. Yes, sweetie. Yes, Miss Brown. Yeah, yeah. If I want to look like a rude girl, just mess up the hair. Just mess up the hair. Try you too bad. No, I wanted to put my cap back ways and put on my dark glasses. But as I said, I couldn't do it because I wouldn't be able to be reading the comments. But sometimes I want to have that rude girl look. Of course, I'm a little rude girl sometime, you know. Sean, I don't understand. You need to talk straight talk to me. I mean, this rude girl don't understand some of the words, you know. This rude girl doesn't understand some of the words, you know. I don't know what happened. I just messed up. Yeah, I'm back. I don't know what happened. I just messed up just now. But as I said, let me, Miss Brown, are you hearing me? Let me hear if you're hearing me. What did Rude Girl want to work for me, Sean? But you know what? There are different level of being a rude girl. You know, there's different level. So my level would work for me. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thanks, ISNT. How are you? Good to see you. So, guys, as I said, I have half an hour more out here. So, Miss Brown, you have ISNT. Okay, Nicole. So, I'm cooking tonight. So, this evening, something simple. It's nothing. So, my girlfriend asked me to cook. She called me when I was at work on Saturday. And I love her dearly. She's so sweet. And she want me to cook something for her. So she bring it to my house early this morning. And she buy her stuff. I'm just gonna make it for her. And she pays me, I said, girl, just whatever. I'm not pricing anything. She gives me money to cook for her. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm gonna be cooking it for her. And whether or not I would, because she's sweet. But I'm gonna do it, and I think I'm gonna do it live. So it's an opportunity to do a live, to make a video. Oh, Sean, I know you're hearing me because I see your comment on. Miss Brown, what is that? So Sean, make sure you show up this evening. And so when I'm cooking this evening, I might not be able to be talking, or I mean, I'm not gonna be writing back to anybody because my daughter Kim is in Jamaica, and she is my moderator. She's the one who does most of the stuff, but and she's not here. So hopefully, I'm gonna tell her to. I'm gonna see if I can connect, if she can connect with me later. So I miss her so much. So she just graduated university in Jamaica. She was here. She went out for her graduation. She just sent me the picture and I put it up on YouTube. I'm so proud of her. She's such a great daughter and I'm so proud of her. Even though she'll tell you that mommy is so miserable and I'm always arguing with her, and that's for true. But I really appreciate her so much. She works on my video. She Kim is in Jamaica. Yes, Kim is in Jamaica. She just went back home to graduate. So, Rose, where in Jamaica are you? Yeah, I'm asking if you have ISNT or ISN. ISN, do you have Miss Brown? Please go show Miss Brown some love. I love ISN. I see her. I don't know. I met her recently. ISNT. I met her recently. Oh, you at work? You still at work, Sean? Mm. I'm tired, guys. If you guys don't see me coming over to your places, if you see me not coming into your places, it's not that I don't think about you guys, but the work have me away sometime. I had to take this day off just to make my appointment, but it have me off sometimes, some really hard. You saw her, Miss Brown, on my Facebook. Thank you so much. I put her on my Facebook page. So if you look on my Facebook, it's Juliet Wright, and I put her picture there. Yes. So thank you so much. Thanks, ISNT. So where in Manchester you are, Rose with Anna, because that's where she's. We're from Manchester. Sean, you crazy. She leaving tomorrow, so I don't know if you have that time. So you crazy. You just it's not really the happy you wanna give me. You just wanna come see her, right? You wanna see her. You probably have seen her a lot in Mandeville before. Hi Tracy C, how are you? Oh, you saw oh, thank you. You saw her on Instagram? Oh, maybe she put herself there. Oh, you're not Patrick. Not too far. Not too far. She's from Patrick. So whenever we come to Jamaica, me, Miss Brown, and we're gonna hook up and we're gonna cook one day, right? I can't wait for the day come when we can come, and just hang out a little bit and sit down on Rockstone and you know, sit down some Rockstone and eat roast corn. I hope what time is the corn season in Jamaica, Doc? I really want to eat a good roast corn. I don't remember when is the corn season. Yeah, it better. You know what, Sean, you're right. It's better to work than you. Just visiting. Are you just visiting Jamaica, Rosa, Anna? You said just visiting Lawford, Lord, Miss Brown. What that mean? Oh, you're just visiting the parish. You're mostly in St. Anne's. Oh, I hope when we come to Jamaica, you visit again. Mega Mad stretch. Miss Brown, you know that's gonna be a must when I get to Jamaica because you're just right in the town. You not even have to take a taxi. You're just right there. All right, sure. I hope I can come before the year end. Honestly, wish so. I hope the thing why I really don't want to come to Jamaica, I really don't want to come and quarantine for 2 weeks. Doesn't make any sense. But my mom is 88 years old. I need to go visit her. So, and we honestly, when I come to Jamaica, I'm definitely gonna be cooking. That's a must. That's a given. I hang out with Sean, of course. Okay, so I want to come to Jamaica when the corn fit to roast. I really want to eat the roast corn. And I want to cook some tripe and bean fresh out of the market on Tuesday morning. I don't know what happened to my eye hurting me. This eye hurting. Yeah, right here. Yep, we're gonna hang out. Because long before I get so serious with YouTube, I'd plan to come back to Jamaica and make a good cooking. Because everybody always asks me, what I remember, guys, I said I used to have a Cubs Den, good vibes. Thank you, Han. I love you. Honestly, Cubs Den, I love you so much. You and your husband, God, you guys. I'm learning from you guys. You have good vibes too, Love the vibes you guys have. Love it, love it, love it. And I love how you and your husband communicate. I love it. I really do. Sometimes inter I can't get to interact that much because of the job. I'm always at work. and the hours are not good for me because the time you guys are on, I'm at work. So I'm really just thieving in to put in a word, but I just love it. Rosiam Jewel. You know what, SNG? You're so welcome, Cups. Then you deserve it. When I say it, you deserve it. SNG, you know what? I'm really not a Rosiam person, but maybe for you, I'll eat a little piece. But I'm not so much a Rosiam person. I just like the roast corn. I'm not like that roast saltfish thing, but of course, when I come in, I have to come with my husband. Why not? If you buy the fare, if you buy the ticket, I'll leave the husband. I'll leave the husband if you buy the ticket, right? Of course, and I just love blue jeans. I love him too. I love him dearly. I just love how the two of them, work together. That's so cool. I just love it. So, guys, Sean, go follow Blue Jeans and Cubs. Then I know you're a supporter. You're not a YouTuber, but you're such a great supporter. So go follow our friend Blue Jeans and Cubs. Then they are great people. Maybe talking to when you've been on them, you'll decide to start your own YouTube channel. So SNG, what's going on in your neck of the woods, sweetheart? As I said, I'm not really doing a live of such. I'm just I'm just making my apart. Wow, my tongue twist. I'm just making and some errands, and I decided that I'll just go travel with you guys on the journey. My appointment is at 2, so I'm just hanging out. I'm right there. I'm at the location, so I'm just hanging out until 2 o'clock. Natural Jamaican vegan. Welcome, welcome. How are you? Hey, active Choopsy in the house. How are you? So I'm just hanging out, sweetie, until 2 o'clock. Just take a ride up to my appointment and hanging out with these goodly people, these fabulous people. Because I haven't seen a lot of people for a while now. So I'm just because work have me off away. I'm still loving you guys. It's just the work. And I thank you so much, Choopsy. You are my girl. So I'll be looking, guys, put your notification on. I'm gonna making a little cooking this evening, maybe around 3:30, 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna do it live. Put your notification on. Yeah. RJ and JTV, you're present. Hands up. Love you, love you, love you. Good to see you guys. Big up yourself, bless up yourself. And today is International Women's Day. Big up all the women in the house. Cause without us, there would be nobody in the house, right? We make everything happen. We are the ones who make it happen. So, SNG, you know what we're talking about, because every successful man need us have a strong woman behind, right? So, guys, love upon yourself. Yes, bless up all the ladies in the house and big up yourself. Everything homemade with Ili. Ili. Hi, hello, hello. How are you? Welcome to this live. I am gonna be going in a short minute, but check me back out anytime, maybe 3:30, 4 o'clock or so. Put your notification on. I'll be doing a little bit cooking live. And so hope to see you guys. I make sure you give me those thumbs up when you walk in. And if I don't remember everything homemade. I don't know if we're a link, but if not, you know what to do, and I'll know what to do in return. And everybody knows what to do. If you don't have one another, you know how to go about doing it. And the thing is, though, because when I'm on a live, for me, Thank you so much. For me, when I'm on a live, I really don't like to go visit nobody's house. I wait only if I have two devices because I want to go and really give some good love. I don't want to just run in and run out. So sometimes it takes me a while to get back to people, but because I'm doing it the right way. I don't want to jump in and just look and run back out and and subscribe and walk out. That's not the way. Because anyway, at first when I was starting to do this, these going to these lives, I used to wake up, go to bed very excited at night, and wake up very disappointed in the morning when I see that I lose like 30 subscribers. And I understand. So if you're not we're not doing sub to sub, we're really supporting each other. So when I'm doing it, I make sure I spend some time and I watch a video and I give a comment pertaining to the content that I watch, and that's the right way to do it. So that's what we're doing. We want everybody going to be successful, and we want everybody to successful. It's not about just me, it's about all of us. So we want to make sure we give it the right and proper way, guys. Right. Mhm. So everybody have everybody, or if everybody don't have everybody, they know everybody know what's to do. But as I said, I know most people have everybody here, but if not, everybody know what's up. Thank you, everything homemade. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, chipsy, chipsy. Right, right, Chipsy, you know the thing. You know how it goes because you're one of them girls that way out there I work hard. And I'm telling you, girl, I want to be like you when I grow up. Yes, Joanna, I'm off. I definitely want to be like you when I grow up, Chipsy. You work so hard. Your work ethics is great. You go out there and you make it happen, girls, guys. She makes it happen. You're going to have to put some of that energy, get some of her energy, and just make stuff happening. So some of you guys I haven't did visit you for a while, but today, at some point, maybe later on, I'm gonna check out Ray J. I haven't seen her in a while. I'm gonna be checking her out to see who you talking to, Sean. Tripsy, you're always welcome. From the day I met you, you know that. I told you that I see some of my young self in you when I was younger, some of that eager, eager to get it, to let it happen, you know? Yeah, so I'm coming to give you a visit. It's been a while. I haven't seen you. I've seen you some places, but I'm gonna visit you. You're gonna be on my list for later this evening. After I cook and chill, I'm gonna be seeing you. Because it's not that I don't love you. I always love. I come to people genuinely. It's not even your content. It's just wanting to support. It doesn't matter what your content is, but I want to support people because people want to grow just as much as I want to grow. So whether your content is not what I want or not, I don't know. I'm just supporting. I love to see you and your son doing your thing. I love it, but it's just sometimes the work have me away. For the weekend, I've doubled 16 hours, so it does have me half away. My job kind of just really hard sometimes, but I'm gonna be coming to you guys. Just give me time. Don't feel that I don't care. It's just time sometime. I need a little time. I work 5 days a week. This week I work 7 days. So it's kind of hard. And when I get home, I'm really so tired. Please, thanks for understanding. John, I don't know if I have that day. I'm not remembering it. I think I have it off. So guys, in a few, I have 10 more minutes. I'm gonna be going to my appointment and I'll be seeing you this evening. So guys, put your notification on. Let me see you guys up and make sure you already give me my thumbs up. So this is it too. As I mentioned, thumbs up. So I'll see people go on to people live, and we as YouTuber, we know the drill, right? We know when we visit somebody, whether we like the content, yes or no. We know that we give the thumbs up and we make a comment. That's what I practice that. So whenever we go into somebody's live video premiere or whatever, we put the thumbs up. So you'll see you have 25 people and you only have 10 thumbs up, or they come in and they visit but they don't. Let's practice that, right? So I'm starting to practice that to make sure I thumbs up somebody and make sure I leave a genuine comment, you know, towards the content, because when you do it, people know that okay, at least you might not stay for the whole premiere, you didn't stay to watch the whole video, but you at least know some of what's going on in the video, so you say it. Hi Nikwa, what's up, what's up? Blessing to you too. Tit Thomas 291024, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm not doing a live of such. I'm just hanging out with you guys. Long to see you, and I'm just hanging out. DC in the house. Welcome, DC. Talking to you from New York. And it's not all that cold in New York. It's see, I'm wearing a light jacket, not too cold. So welcome, 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 welcome to Jewel in the kitchen with her people. So if you didn't have T. Thomas here, there's an opportunity to get T. Thomas. T. Thomas, are we connected? If not, you know what to do. And I'll be coming back to see you know that, right? But so this evening, T. Thomas and everybody else, let's see you tonight when I cook around about 3:34 or 4:30, somewhere off there. Depends on when I finish here. And put your notification on and I'll see you. Happy to see you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So guys, DC in the house, DC, look at these people. They're all very supportive people. Do you have a channel, T. Thomas? Are you a content creator? Literary J, thanks for coming. Ray J R T Thomas 291024. Are you a content creator? Hyacinth T is still in the house. No, I don't. Okay, so welcome, welcome, welcome. So T Thomas, you can visit all of these people and show them some love. They're all good people. They are my people and they're all good people. So look, and they have very good content. Everybody here has some great content you may want to look at. So thanks for coming, T. Thomas. And I'm looking to see you later on this evening. Thank you, sweetheart. Make sure you leave me that comment so I know it's you, okay? Everybody here has wonderful content. You can check them out. Nikwa, please call to Sean. Guys, well, really a pleasure hanging out with you guys today. And it feels so good. It's so refreshing that I'm not at work and I'm hanging out with you guys. It feels refreshing. Honestly, it does. It's not just talk, it's the reality. Because I'm always bugged up with work and people around me talking. And, you know, this is so refreshing. I was at work over the weekend and I was so bugged. It was hard. And one day on my job, I was sending out a patient that I really care about to the hospital who looked like she was going to be passing out. And yesterday, I went to check one of my residents, and the man was dead. So you know how it feels. So all of those. It's kind of good to hear that out right now. As I said, I walk up to the patient room yesterday, and he was comfortable on his side. Normally, that man doesn't stay on his side. And I was saying, oh my God. I touched him and he was dead. And I said, oh no, just like that by himself. So these are some of the things sometimes. So it's a nice opportunity to be out here and just not thinking about doing that. And sometimes I get really a little bit emotional. Like, when you see people going or people suffering and you're not able to help them. Sometimes it's kind of get to me. So I'm kind of feeling thank you, Nikwa. You know what I mean, right? Okay. So who is Nikwa? I'm the wife. So who is Nikwa? Sean, who is Nikwa? I'm the wife. Who is Nikwa? So I'm kind of feeling rejuvenated, of course. Yes, it's kind of feel good. But so guys, I'm gonna head out now to get my up and I'm hoping to see you guys. Corinne Lewis, go and make some jerk chicken and trim rasta pasta. Okay, so Corinne, how are you doing? Nice to see you. Hang out with me later on this evening. I'm gonna be cooking for somebody this evening, but not rasta pasta. So one of these days I'm gonna make the rasta pasta and the jerk chicken. Okay, Corinne? That's my friend there. Nice to see you. I've never seen you on one of my live before. I'm so happy to see you, Corinne. How are you doing? Corinne, you can go subscribe to some of these YouTubers. They are my friend if you. Right. So I'm gonna be cooking later on. Put your notification on, Corinne. Nice seeing you. Every time I go on the floor to look for you, you're not there. So I miss you. I passed your floor yesterday, was looking for you. Thank you, honey. Thank you. I didn't do anything. I just brushed the hair. Thanks. Thank you so much. You know what, Corinne? You just love to give compliments. So, but anyway, I accept it. So I'll be seeing you guys later. I'm heading out. Ooch. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm heading out. And oh no, God. See, I hate wearing masks, and you can't enter the people them building without masks. So I hate wearing it. Honestly, to God, so I wear it every day, 8, 9 hours a day. So I really want to get out of it. So when I'm in my car, I don't have to wear it. Then I always end up going out without it. Not good. Let me see if I find one here. I always have extra. Oh no, I don't see. And my kids always drive the car and they take. Let's put this on. I have to have something on. All right. So, guys, I just love how you guys hang out with me today. I feel special. I feel special. So that's the rude girl thing, Sean. That's the rude girl thing I'm talking about. Like a rude girl. Oh shit, it's cold out here. So I'm in this beautiful building. Look. Hi. Good. How are you? Yeah, what floor again is Dr. Birchman?
Birchman, no, what no Birchman?
Berman. Berman?
Baron?
Ibera.
So the fourth floor.
Fourth floor. Thanks. Right. So, okay. Is there a notification on? I'm moving. So, depends on the finish here. Be like 3:30, 4 o'clock or something on there. Take a little time to give us Hi, how are you doing? So I'm gonna take the elevator, guys, and I know I'm gonna get cut off, and I can't doing this. So I'll be seeing you guys later. Love you all. I'll see you later. And I don't wanna just come off abruptly, but I'm sorry. Have to go. I'm gonna go on the elevator. So guys, Chin and Dwayne, nice seeing you, Chin and Dwayne. I'm bad at spoiling up people's names. I know I'm guilty of doing that. But I'll be seeing you guys, okay? So I'm gonna go on the elevator now. So ta-ta. Until later, love on yourself, and I'll see you in a few hours. Bye. Let me take the elevator up. So I'm going on. I'm going to the fourth floor. So bye guys, the Robinson family. So the Robinson family, good to see you. Um, as I said, it's not really a live as such. It's really just what's going on my appointment, and I was just dragging you guys with me because I like a little bit company sometime. But I'll see you because I'm gonna go now. Willow Creation. See you guys. So I'm gonna do a live later this evening. Put your notification on, and I'll be seeing you guys. Bye. Have to go in now, so I have to close this off. So later. Bye bye. Thanks for coming on with me, guys. So see you in a few, okay? Bye. If you guys want to hang out with each other, I'll turn my camera, my mic off, and my camera. You can hang out with each other if you feel like. Or so I'll just, if you want to hang out, just hang out. I'll turn the camera and my speaker off, okay? Channel. So subscribe, Jewel in the kitchen. Get your phone out, everybody. Every one of you. Jewel in the kitchen. Yes, six of you here, right? Jewel in the kitchen. Jewel in the kitchen? Yeah, Jul
J-U-L.
space
Uh-huh.
IN. Everything is spaced, yes. And it gonna come up anytime this minute. It should be up already. I see you were doing this live before? I was just doing this live. So listen. So tell you what you do. You subscribe. You turn your notification bell on. I got you. Notification bell. All right, let me get my bell. It's on. Look at we subscribe. You subscribe. So when you get the chance, you're gonna leave an comment whenever you watch something. I'll know it's you. Oh, look at that! Where is your phone? Where's your phone? I'm doing the live right now. Yeah, let you manage. Look at that. Sean, you hear that rude girl? Not yet. Oh, man. So that's it. Okay, what's your name? Pearl. Pearl? Yep. That's too easy name. We're short. Yeah, like me, like Julie. You know, short. Exactly. Yeah, I can't take the complicated and I have to twist up the. Let me twist up. Easy. Can you out? Oh, and the kitchen. Taste the fruit cake. It's good. Maybe one of these, when we have another appointment, one of these days, I make you a cake. I make a cake. You sure you like the Jamaican black cake? Yeah, with some lot of fruits. A lot of fruits in it. So if you like fruits, raisins and stuff like that. You love that? So one of these days when I'm coming the next time. When is my next appointment? When is the next party? Yeah, I know, right? Next time you call in the party, like yes. What? Yes, sweetie. Loaded rice. That looks great. Oh, so you see, I was trying to put the Nigerian type of thing. But you know how you get into it, though. You know how you get into nice stuff. You. Oh my God, hear me? Can you subscribe? Oh, I don't know if I'm logged into YouTube exactly. The kids, the kids YouTube. No, I'm just saying, look at it, look at that. Oh, just one is one. Oh, so one is not the kid. One is the kid. Just kid. Yeah, one is the kid. Why should you with S on it? What is Kindle? Yeah, one is jumping. They can't do the notification. Is it because I'm not like this? I just find see, I was online. Oh, I love that. What are you talking about? Just visiting. Just hanging out. Just hanging out. When I'm like, oh, these guys are Look here, go back there. I want to show you how you get it. Because you have to go to the top to videos. So you get into everything and you're not seeing anybody else. So guys, I like how you hang around and you're still here. You're not leaving. But guess what? I just came to my appointment and I just got the ladies at the front desk to subscribe to that channel. You love you. Okay, you come. See? Oh. Oh, you pause and then you go back? I turned it back when they were still there. See here? That is so that's it. Perfect. What's up for you today? You got lots of hits. Yes. 2000. And what? And what? I need a candy, right? Here, can I get a chocolate? You're famous. Oh, I'm famous. I know. Look at a lot going on. I'm the first appointment. What do you want, candy? I just something sweet right now. What do you want, something sweet? I'll take a chocolate. Normally, can I take a chocolate? Yeah. That's it. I love it. I'm having a party.
Don't worry, we'll keep all the patients really good.
I know. You never used to treat them all good yesterday. Just for today.
There we go. I want to do anything, but I guess I can keep it on record. Yeah. But there we go. I guess whenever keep it on file just in case, although he seems to think that what I have is a job.
We're still around here. You guys are so faithful. I just love you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I could take that. You know, I could take that. I could take that. Leah's live. How are you? Leah, we kind of just closing off the chat. Thank you. Can I take two? I am, see, I just get looked down. I'm going NRB lifestyle. I'm longing to see you. I'm gonna be having a live cooking this evening. So guys, please check me out this evening around 3:30, 4 o'clock. Put your notification bell on because because I'm gonna make this cooking live. Oh God, what happened here now? Yeah. So I'm gonna try do this later on. So guys, I just love how you stay and you didn't go away. So happy Women's Day to you too, Leah's life. Love upon yourself. NRB, okay, I will let you know. Oh, thank you so much. So let me finish my appointment and I'll see you guys later. But as I said, I'm gonna turn my camera off. Feel free to stay if you want, then I won't come off the live. And when I finish my appointment, I'll just stay. All right, but I'm gonna turn my camera off and my mic so you can all go on and greet and love each other. I know you'll see. Really do. Oh, Jamaica recipe queen, are you there?
Is it spicy?
Yes. But you can make it as spicy as you want to. So, Jamaica recipe queen, you're there, and I'm coming on this evening around 3:30, 4 o'clock. Hope to see you there.
Okay. Oh, you're so cute. You
I'm talking to somebody on the line. So hi Sydney. I'm at an appointment and you guys were just hanging out with me, but I'll be cooking later. And when I finish my appointment, I'll drive back down. And if you're still there, we could talk. So I didn't turn my camera off and I'm still online. I keep you going. So if you guys are still there, I'll talk when I finish my appointment and take me back home. AJ Bond, respect, respect, respect. I'm at my appointment. You guys were just driving along with me, but you know what? If so I'm waiting for my appointment. So if yes, say they're calling me now. So I'll catch you guys when I finish my appointment. All right. Who is still here? Shane and the family. What's up? What's up? What's up? Wow. I I can't even see my glasses. So Shane, I'm just trying. Cooking later around 34 o'clock. So put your notification bell on and I'll see you there. So I just finished my appointment and I'm heading back home. So let's go together. Let's go home together. Yes, hon. Please catch it this evening. It wasn't really a great line. It was just that I was going out and I wanted to hang out with you guys. But I'm gonna go home now to make a dinner. I'm gonna drive home so you can hang out with me if you're still there. Where my laddie? Oh, shoot, tired. Oh my God, I'm tired of this. It's so every minute this thing comes in. See if anybody else. I'm gonna drive home right anyway. It doesn't matter. Hello. Bye. Have a good evening. Thank you. Oh, shit. Oh, it's 28. You wonder where did he give me 20? Where did he give me 20? What do you call it? 20, 36 the last time. Oh, see, you know something? I'm glad I did that. Mm. Ooh, what is here? I'll keep it on just in case. Who is here? All right, so I'm heading home and you guys were hanging out. Yes, everybody's gone, but it's okay. I'll leave it on and I'm gonna head home now. Say your name, say your name. Who's here? Say your name. Guys, I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Where did I probably lost it. You just gave it to me. Oh. I'm gonna eat this. Where are you? Who is here? Who is here? Let me hear your name. One for you. I'm gonna drive home now. I'm not seeing anything here. What up there? It's telling me one person on, but I don't know who is it. Mhm, mhm, mhm. I'm going from Canada. I'm going to. Oh, we're around here. I was. I'm working on the street. Mm-mm. Wow. Every day they're working on this road here. No? Do I go the wrong place? Oh, shit. I shouldn't go street. I thought that was it. Really don't need no jacket in this car. Finally. Mhm. Can start. Me and those trucks again. About a few hours now, right? Come close. Who are you? Mhm. Stay ready then. Well, let's go here. Rock the boat, baby. Rock. Don't tilt the boat over. Hey, hey, who is here? Who is here? I can see you, but hi. Going back home. Somebody come making some. Who is keeping my company? Maybe the 2 hours already and just close my stuff. I'll close it. Nobody's here. It's about time to end the live.